Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Gateshead having a closer look at the flyover, which has been closed for around 2 weeks now. This is because there are growing concerns that the flyover is no longer safe. Engineers and experts have been warning about the structural integrity of the flyover, and the potential risks involved are too great to ignore. The very thought of this massive structure collapsing is terrifying, and it's crucial that we take a closer look at what's going on. Over recent weeks, the authorities have been forced to implement traffic restrictions and emergency repairs. But is it too little, too late? The Gateshead Flyover is an essential part of the local infrastructure, carrying thousands of vehicles every day. It's hard to imagine a time when this huge structure wasn't dominating the skyline, but it has been standing tall since the 1970s, providing a vital link between the town centre and surrounding areas. As you can see by the ramp leading up onto the top of the flyover, the situation is serious and the warning signs are clear. The flyover's condition has been deteriorating for years, and the consequences of inaction of any council maintenance taking place has left it in a state of disrepair. Furthermore, the longer the flyover is left in its current state, the more likely it is to fail. The structure is weakening by the day. As the situation stands, it's clear the Gateshead flyover is in desperate need of serious investment and repair or demolition. The cost of doing nothing far outweighs the cost of taking action, and it's time for those in power to take the responsibility for the safety of the public. The people of Gateshead deserve better than to live in fear of a structure that's supposed to serve them. One of the most shocking revelations to come out at the end of the recent inspections is the discovery of the severe cracking in the flyover supporting pillars. This is a critical safety issue that cannot be ignored. As you can see by the footage, propping work began to prop up the pillar under the flyover, which is expected to take around 4 days and will cost between £2 and £3 million. There has been a lot of disruption caused by the flyover being closed, with metro services suspended between Newcastle and Hewitt due to the vibrations of the metro trains running the tunnels below. With the whole flyover closed and the road beneath, the 2 roundabouts below the flyover will remain open after expert advice from the engineers confirmed it was safe to do so. There has been several diversion routes put into place so you can access other parts of Gateshead, like the A1 and the Tyne Bridge, from different areas of the town. And the walkways beside the former Five Bridges Hotel remain open to the public. So what's the future of Gateshead Flyover? Will it be saved or will it be too late? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more infrastructure insights, be sure to check out my channel and look at the Newcastle City construction update videos. Also, if you've liked the video, please give it a massive thumbs up, as it really helps my channel grow. And if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell notification when I release more videos. A massive thank you for watching. See you next time on 55 Degrees North.